hard this time. I hope I don't trip over this shit. Yo, all love, right? But we about to fuck this up, right?
CG, beat.
Let's get it. We going straight to the bar, all drinks on me. How many drinks do it take for you to get tipsy? We got all night, me and you running the spot. What you drinking, baby? What's the deal? Tell me what's up. Orgasm, yeah, I need that. That's sexual pleasure, I can take care of that. Since you good with drinks, can you order for me? Sex on the beach, maybe later we'll see. I'm a regular nigga, see I don't pop the crisp. Bring me above there, now that's my shit. You like to dance, baby? Shake them hips, get freaky on the floor, that nasty shit. See, I'ma get you drunk and freak that body. But for now, come on, let's party. Shorty, you tryna roll with a brother that's ballin' boom. Shorty, and you kinda nice, just stop playing, baby, just name your pride. Shorty, what's the deal with you? You tryna roll with a brother that's ballin' boom. Shorty, and you kinda nice, just stop playing, baby, just name your pride. I walk in the go-go, eyes on me, eyes on chicks. Chicks I see, music banging, ballers ballin'. I pull out a knot and the chicks start drawing. I hit the bar, I cop a drink. Down there, ladies are mingling. I'm trying to see if my whole squad's up in here below. I see a tits and ass and dairy. But it's cool, come here, mommy, let me get that. What? Shake that, give it to me, baby, that's what's up. I wanna lick that, smack that, bag that, grab that. Yeah, the too many chicks for me to chill. See, I'm a freak, I thought you knew I keep it real. Shorty, what the deal with you? You tryna roll with a brother that's ballin' boom. Yeah, you kinda nice, just stop playing, baby, just name your prize. What's the deal with you? You tryna roll with a brother that's ballin' boom. Yeah, you kinda nice, just stop playing, baby, just name your prize. Oh, you nasty mom? Yeah, I like that. Now let me hit it from the back. Oh, you got a price? What price is that? Because I wanna pull your hair and scratch your back. But since you got a price, you gotta pop the tin. We all gon' freak that. Nah, I mean, what you wanna do, ma? Count some green to get crazy and to get it up. It's no plain rice, we got gravy, baby. Chains all hanging, Jack Xavier. Since you dance like a freak, leave sex like a freak. I'll play the shine, bro, act nice and slick. That will let you know, see, we don't play that air. We feelin' niggas drunk off Belvedere. Shorty, you tryna roll with a brother that's ballin' boom. Then you kinda nice, just stop playing, baby, just name your prize. What's the deal with you? You tryna roll with a brother that's ballin' boom. Then you kinda nice, just stop playing, baby, just name your prize. Lock 'em down, niggas. Know what I'm saying? Lock 'em down, make your price. What's good? Let's go. You know what I'm talking about? Yo. Alright, where my niggas at? Y'all representing? Where my ladies at? Y'all representing? Yo, I'm gonna fuck this up. Alright, y'all ready? I'ma tell you, I represent the grimy streets of niggas spitting cuss. Roll holes on the corner for ain't God we trust. Grip up on the horn, now you're getting stacks of mutts. Cause all you see is packages and some white t-shirts. In the winter you see hoodies, niggas sucking these stacks. And back and burn the shit that you would think the cops would have. Burning CPRs that are footballers, niggas killing. That's the same here, you see niggas pilling. Niggas pushing high shit on the side, it's down the shit. They got symbols on their neck so they rockin' that chill shit. We just up in the rugby, strictly on that block shit. This style shit. This out shit where I represent, lets us know we gotta rock shit to kill a Dell with a clientele makes us pop shit. I represent all my niggas, I represent all my streets. You know I love all the women that love us thugs. I represent Philly, baby. I represent all my niggas. I represent all my streets. You know I love all the women that love us thugs. I represent Philly, baby. If you know about the streets, then you know about me. If you know about the hood, you know where I be. If I had to pick a spot where I wanted to be, I'll be chillin' in the gutter with the niggas smoke trees. From the land where niggas post up with pop-os on the corner when it's hot and when it's blowing with snow. I got survive in the game, cause the streets is rowdy and that it don't make it home. Then you know deep. I got kids on my shoulders, so I'm carrying weight. So then they gotta keep it poppin' or the kids won't eat. Niggas hard in the game, cause cats get jumped. Then you gotta pick a nigga boots like you're in the street. You gotta survive in the game, cause you don't wanna slip. Cause you've been laying in the coffin, you're pleading the fifth. I represent the money makers that'll get the dough. Any means necessary with cash to blow. Got the big boy toys with the national brand. Crumbles on the two shoes, so it's it. Yeah, up the park, just know the well best dress. I'm running suits up the Breone and monster dress. Hands niggas never get dirty. Smart cats is dirty work and snap with the fingers and get your whole family hurt. All my thugs out for them, all chicks in that cat. Represent, get it up. And all the women out for them, only loving us thugs. Represent, get it up. I represent all my niggas and all my thugs. I represent all my streets and all my blocks. You know I love all the women that love us thugs. I represent Philly, baby. I represent all my niggas and all my thugs. I represent all my streets and all my blocks. You know I love all the women that love us thugs. I represent Philly, baby, so show me love. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? You gotta represent. Them old Joe's like it. Let's go. Yo,